Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study criminal law effectively, full guide. Start by organizing cases into issue, rule, application, and conclusion notes for each topic. Build a study plan that balances doctrine, policy, and practical application with regular timed practice. Use active recall, flashcards, and past fact patterns to practice issue spotting and analysis. Keep reviews spaced weekly and adjust focus based on error logging and exam timing needs. Organize each case into facts, issues, holdings, reasoning, and separate policy notes to clarify doctrine. Practice outlining cases by timing yourself under exam conditions to build speed. Combine diagrams with flowcharts to visualize element structures and burdens of proof. Review model answers and compare reasoning paths to refine analysis. Form study groups to debate issues and simulate oral hypotheticals, rotating roles to include note-taker, brief presenter, and devil's advocate. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, and enjoy more study time while it handles chores. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag one. Your support funds future guides and quick tips, and now let's get back to the video. Prioritize practice with past fact patterns and exam-style essays to strengthen issue spotting and rule application. Create concise IRAC templates to speed writing and maintain structure under time pressure. Use spaced review for problem areas, logging errors, and creating corrective flashcards. Record yourself explaining defenses and elements, then replay to catch gaps in logic and phrasing. Mix multiple-choice drills with essays to balance precision and synthesis skills, and track timing per question to improve pacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.